Alright, today we have mystery boxes number 2 from eBay. We're gonna open the boxes and see what we can find. So I'm not good at talking. That's why the reason I don't talk too much, and I don't like to distract my viewers from the videos. But anyways, I'm gonna try to do this one first. The first time, so let's unbox this one and let's find out what's inside. I ordered several boxes, but I don't remember what I'm expecting to get. So let's see. Here we have, Steam Alone Thomas. It only comes with the Thomas and Annie. No other train. So that's the box number 1. Let's go to the box number 2. Let's see what's inside. Another one? I'm not expecting another one. If I don't remember ordering 2. Anyways, one more Annie Garber. Thomas and Annie. Looks decent color. Anyways, I'm gonna separate this. Let's get the next box. Okay. Okay, the other side. Okay, what's in here? Oh wow, okay. Stanley. I already sold one. An RC Stanley. So, okay. It looks good in the exterior. I want to try it out later, see if it works. I think the full set, I don't know. Anyway. Okay. Next box. Let's see. This one. We'll open it. Okay. Wooden trains. Cool. Let's go here. Oh, a hippo car. It's a wooden railway. Take and play or take along Thomas. Rockies from Tender. And here we have wooden Toby. Another Thomas, wooden Thomas. I'm gonna make a Timothy the Course engine with this one. What's this? I think it's Showington. Edward, take and play. Okay. We have Hero. It is standard. Sorry. Another Thomas celebration or whatever. More Chuggington, I think. I don't like it. There we go. This is Gordon. And wooden Toby. Wooden Paxton, Rossi, Take and Play, Gordon Stender, and Victor. I did not order these. I ordered some Trackmasters, and for the money I paid, this is not worth it, so I'm gonna return this because the seller made a mistake. So this was a really bad unboxing, I mean, for this. The only good I got is RC Stanley and 2 steam along. Oh, it's working. I think the wire is broken right here. It's gonna be easy to fix. Oh, it's making noise. It has a low battery. Good. So the other one was, it does not have a battery. I'm gonna try it on, see if they work. Reviewing the orders, I see that might be another card here. Okay, here it is. I just forgot that I ordered a full set. So anyways, we got a full set. So this one right here is not working. I got this for a restoration. It only cost me $9 including shipping. So it's a good price for me because I do restorations. So no problem with that one. That's okay. I'll fix it later. And we're gonna test with batteries this one. This other has a little bit of corrosion build up, but you can easily clean it up with a little bit of white vinegar, and that's it. Let's try it on with batteries. So we got fresh batteries. Let's see. Okay, it works. It's working properly. The only bad thing is the gear axle is broke, so I'm just gonna replace it, and that's good. Not very bad. Okay, let's go to the RC Stanley. Okay, battery compartments, they look clean, so same with the remote, and I think it's nothing wrong with it. Let's check with the batteries. One way to see that it is not the same train I show you guys on the previous videos is you can check the serial number. It's different, so it's not the same. And the one I sold, it has a little bit of sticker wear up. It was torn right here on the window cap, so it's not the same. Anyways, let's check. So it's working properly, and I think I made a good purchase. It cost me a little bit, not a lot, but it's good because these trains are not easy to find at these times, and with a good condition is really rare. So it was a good find. So what do you guys think about it? Was a good mystery unboxing or no? Let me know in the comments. And if you want me to start talking on the videos, I might consider it. I don't like to talk too much in the videos because I think it distracts the audience if we talk a lot when I'm doing like a restoration or a custom train. It's, I mean, for me, I don't like that. But if you guys like to see me talking, I might try it. But anyways, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.